Masters at Wagtail. It's very late. Well, no, it's not very late, but it's probably about 10 o'clock in the evening. I'll be taking it down shortly. So, I have an issue where there was some stickers on a framework, and they showed me a picture. It was one sticker, and they want me to come back for one sticker, and the contact person told me just address the ledges and the framework and the sticker, which is, she just basically said address the stickers and the framework, and she showed me only one picture, and that's the info she got sent to her, and they showed her a picture of the one little sticker that's on the framework, and it was an entranceway, I do believe, but I will send some footage about this and make a short video. But anyways, I had left a comment on my Facebook group for those who watch either that only or both, my YouTube channel and my Facebook group. This is the last chance to get your clips or info in on what you use, how you use it, or a short, brief introduction on why you even started your business. So this is going to be featured in my short documentary film. This is going to be an independent film documentary. So there's no one sponsoring me. I'm just doing it just because this will be the first documentary movie on a window cleaner and his tools and his work ethics. There will be no other movie that you will search for about this. So this is for y'all. This is one documentary movie on tips, tricks, what others are doing, the life and tools of what you need, different various things. This will be as I created. It's up to y'all to make it more than what it is. The more info I have to put into this documentary, the better. But based on my knowledge, and since I've been on YouTube, I have documented video evidence of my journey, so I could actually make a documentary. But I need more info, because watching one person's journey or a documentary on just one person, it's not as exciting as getting other people involved. So needless to say, private message me if you're a Facebook friend, or I don't know, if you want to email me. Either way, Jeff Bremble is the only person that I have a short clip of that I'll be featuring in this documentary so far, which is, I'm okay with that. I'm cool. If I don't get any more, I'm cool with that, because I'm going to make it happen. I'm going to jazz it up, because those who are interested in this trade, who's never even ventured into this trade, they can watch this instead of multiple videos. They can watch this one documentary, and they can get a foundation just of what's involved and where to start and what they need to do. And that's what it's all about. But this is Masters at Wagtail, and I'll see you in what part am I on? Part 3. I'll see you in part 3 of a window cleaner. The window cleaner. Macafracka. Peace, peace, peace.